Hello students, welcome to 6th Standard Mathematics Digital class. Let's continue with lesson number 4, Operations on Fractions. Let's learn multiplication of fractions. How the multiplication 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2 is done with the help of rectangular strip. This is a rectangular strip and it is divided into 5 equal parts. Shade the part that shows the fraction 3 upon 5. Draw slanting lines in 3 parts. The part shows the fraction 3 upon 5. We have to show 1 upon 2 or half of 3 upon 5. So draw a horizontal line to divide the strip into 2 equal parts. This is the horizontal line. It divided into 2 equal parts. You know the part shows the fraction 3 upon 5. After dividing the line, this part is half of 3 upon 5 and the remaining part is half of 3 upon 5. Now draw the slanting lines which are exactly opposite of first slanting line. You will get it that these 3 boxes are shaded twice out of 10 equal boxes. The part shaded twice can be written as the fraction 3 upon 10. We carry out the above multiplication like this. 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2. While doing multiplication of fractions, multiply numerator into numerator and write the answer, that is product, into numerator. Multiply denominator into denominator and write the answer into denominator. Now I know. When multiplying two fractions, the product of the numerator is written in the numerator and that of the denominators in the denominator. Let's start with practice set 12. Question number 1, multiply. The first example is 7 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 7 into 1 upon 5 into 4. 7 ones are 7, 5 fours are 20. So your answer is 7 upon 20. Now next example. 6 upon 7 multiplied by 2 upon 5. 6 into 2 upon 7 into 5. 6 2s are 12, 7 5s are 35. So your answer is 12 upon 35. Now question number 2. Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2 upon 7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? Given. Banana planted on 2 upon 7 of 21 acres. What to find out? Area of banana plantation. 2 upon 7 of 21 acres. 2 upon 7 of 21 means 2 upon 7 multiplied by 21. The number is given. Consider that number is in numerator. So 2 into 21 upon 7. 2 into 21, the answer is 42 upon 7. 42 upon 7 or 42 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42. So 6 acres. Write the answer in one sentence. The area of banana plantation is 6 acres. Now it's time to write your homework. Solve practice set 12 in your notebook. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.